Hello everyone, I'm Himangi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all doing great. This video is about Amazon haul, so let's get started. First purchase is of this organizer, which comes in a set of two. Made of durable jute and sturdy metal rod frame. It is perfect for uncluttering your space and making it beautiful. It is provided with a drawstring, so you can cover and close it also. Beautiful lace detailing is given at the front of the basket. Second purchase is again of organizer. They come in set of 3. They are made of durable and attractive polyester fabric which is lined with linen interior. They are very easy to fold away for storage when not in use. They are of extremely good quality and value for money. Third purchase is this handmade loving couple figurine. It is made of fine grade marble powder and resin. This is a perfect gift for any couple for their anniversary, retirement party, Valentine's Day, birthday and housewarming. Fourth item is this double-walled inner stainless steel casserole. Keeps food hot and fresh for hours. The refined pastel colors and the striking design elevates your dining decor and thus makes it a must-have casserole for your home. It is made from food-grade virgin plastic. Comes in a set of 3. This product is under 1-year warranty from the date of retail purchase. Purchase is this foldable hanger which comes in set of 2, made of stainless steel and plastic. They are strong enough even if your pants are oversized or heavy duty. Can be used either horizontally or vertically. You can choose the way of hanging according to your closet space. Next purchase are these artificial garlands hanging leaves. They are made of plastic. To be honest, they don't look very natural. I will not recommend you to buy these. Next product is this artificial pothos plant. It is made of silk leaves and plastic stems. They are UV resistant and durable. They are of decent quality. Next purchase is of this label sticker set. It is made of high quality material. Just peel and paste on the jar or container. They are waterproof, removable and tear resistant. Black marker is provided with these stickers. Next purchase is this portable and convenient hand blender. It is easy to charge. It comes with a rechargeable battery that can be easily charged by power bank, laptop, computer, mobile phone and other USB devices. It is very easy to use and safe in cleaning, and they can be used while traveling. At this price point, quality of this blender is amazing. It comes very handy, especially if you are traveling with a kid. The juicer's cup's body and bottom can be separated and you can easily clean it. Next purchase is this steam iron by Inalsa. It comes with integrated adjustable pole for hanging your garments while using the steamer. It is collapsible for easy storage. A hand glove is provided for extra protection during steaming. It is very efficient in fast ironing. This steam iron comes with dry boiling protection and overheat protection. Its heating time is less than 1 minute. It comes with a detachable fabric brush which helps you with thicker fabric and delivers better steam penetration, giving a smoother finish. Next purchase is of this wooden coaster set of 4. It helps protect countertops, tabletops, dining table, kitchen surfaces from heat damages. Non-slip heat pads are provided at the back of the coaster. Next purchase are of these cushion covers, which comes in set of 2. It is made of durable linen fabric which does not wear out easily, and it has a very soft texture to it. Size of these cushion covers are 20 by 20 inch. Next purchase is of this 7 feet by 3.3 feet curtain string lights with 138 LEDs and 12 diya ornaments, 6 big and 6 small. They are easy to use, direct plug in and unplug it for power on and off. Next purchase is of this 10 feet by 10 feet mesh light with 300 bright and low consumption LEDs. They are easy to use and are waterproof. They are perfect for any kind of celebration such as wedding party, Christmas, garden parties. Next purchase are these coffee mugs which comes in set of 2. Packaging of this product is excellent. It comes with 2 lids and 2 spoons and free coasters. They are made of ceramic and dishwasher safe too. They are good in quality and they look very aesthetic. Next purchase is this wallpaper made of soft PE foam. I bought them in 2 colors, one yellow and one blue. They are waterproof and easy to clean and maintenance. I use them in my balcony makeover. If you haven't watched the video yet, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Wall covering area is 17.4 square feet. They can be installed in minutes over a clean and sleek surface without any mess. I hope you liked the video. If you do so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.